Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today is a very special video guys, because it's actually a video we're making because you requested it guys. Many of you asked me in the comment section below where is the intake camshaft position sensor and how you replace it on a BMW X3 guys. And that should cover X3 first and second generation with 6-cylinder engine guys, N51, N52, N53, N54 or N55 engine. Even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, it may be very helpful because the location will be very similar guys. So stay with us and we're going to explain where that intake camshaft position sensor is located. That engine is N52 engine, and is the same engine that has been used in 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5 guys, and even Z4 cars. Many of you don't know that, but BMW uses them in multiple vehicles, so all of them are practically the same with almost very minor differences that you won't even notice sometimes guys. Now, before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, and specifically on BMWs even more. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information. If you need to buy new sensor, replacement parts, tools, anything like that, we'll put the links in the description of the video below. We'll share them for your convenience. Let me show you what we have here now. This is the engine guys, okay, right there, 6-cylinder engine. We remove the front end, okay, so we can show you things a little bit better, so we can have more room here guys. But let me show you what I'm talking about now. If you come on the front side of your engine, you will notice that you have actually 2 camshaft position sensor, okay, and 2 Vanus solenoids. One is for the intake side, one is for the exhaust side. So right here you have an intake the exhaust camshaft position sensor, and the intake camshaft position sensor is on the right side, because you have the intake of the engine on the right side, the exhaust is actually on the left side, okay, right there. If you have oil leaks like we do, we guys have videos how to fix almost any kind of oil leak on that engine N52 that has been used in so many BMWs. In addition, before wasting money on new camshaft position sensor, we have a video that explains how to test it guys, so check it out, okay, and you can find out if it's working or not. So what we need to do now, okay, to remove and replace it, we need to disconnect the wiring harness right there, pry a little bit and pull the wire out. Now we need to remove the sensor, which is, okay, not too complicated guys, okay. We're going to need E8, this is reverse torque socket 8 guys, and you access it from underneath the hose is the easiest thing, with extension. Now with the car put together you have less room, but it's doable, and you go ahead and remove it. Perfect, you can see it comes out just like that. Now grab the sensor, it may be a little bit stuck because you have an O-ring, okay, and let me show you how dirty that sensor is now located. We'll have a video what kind of treatment you can do to clean your engine, because that's very, okay, common for BMWs guys, and we'll have a video how to test it. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link as well. Check it out, and putting it together, it's practically in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.